Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a good morning today. We are going to the air show, which I am super pumped and so excited about. I know you guys are probably like, what is up with this scarf? But I'm trying to get my hair to like have a little bit more height today. It's not cooperating, but you know, one can try, so it is what it is. And I'm having a hair day, clearly. Hair does not want to cooperate with me. Totally forgot, but I guess I should mention too that we are going, meaning Jeremy and I are going to the air show with his uncle, cousin, and his uncle's sister. So it's a nice little family outing. I'm not sure what to expect besides a lot of noise, so we shall see. But I am pretty excited and I've really been looking forward to this because it's something new that we have not done yet before. So get something to drink, pull up a chair, and get ready to tag along with us.
Yay! We're here! Yay! We're here! Yay! We're here!
Hey, we're here! Yay!
It's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be dope.
Really don't
Say that. Cheese! Russell, no touching, only looking.
Where's the horn?
Only looking, no touching.
We start the APU up, everyone clears out.
I can't.
Yeah.
So one thing the Marine Corps never invested in was mufflers. Well, our lights are all over there. So we do have taxi lights and landing lights.
Hey, appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey, I'm good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we are back, guys, and let me just say that was an experience. That last clip where you guys saw me like a little bit, and Jeremy for that matter, a little tad bit frustrated, was because we couldn't get food. It took us literally an hour and a half just to get something to eat. The stands that had card readers, their machines stopped working, so we couldn't use a card. And then I tried going to the ATM. I get in line, I get all the way up to the front, the machine breaks and it decides to not work. I try the second machine, that also breaks and says that there's an error. I don't know if it was the servers out there or what, but we finally found one spot, which was hot dogs for $6 a hot dog to get food from.
We spent $30 on hot dogs, which was just
a mess, and they weren't even that good.
Overall, it was a very sunny day, but it was also windy, so it was a weird combination of being cold when the sun was behind the clouds, yet super hot when the sun was out and the wind wasn't blowing. So it was a weird day, but overall it was an experience. I'm glad I went. It'll probably be a one and done type of thing for me. I probably won't go to more, but I'm glad that I went. It's something that if you haven't experienced, it's good to experience at least once in your life. And I definitely enjoyed parts of the outing, which some of the flight stuff that you guys saw was pretty cool. I don't feel like it captured it as much as if you were seeing it in person. I feel like the camera never really translates what you can see in person, but overall it was still a pretty cool experience. So now we are gonna figure out what we're gonna have and eat for dinner, and maybe play a few games tonight. So that's all for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me today and all the various things that I got to see today. If you did, and if you liked this video, or you just like me in general, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to do that so you don't miss out on any future vlogs. I hope you all are having an amazing and wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.